Hi friends!
Hi friends!
I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
And today we're continuing our At the Zoo animal series. And today's letter is the letter G. What should we draw for G, Lila?
Maybe a giraffe?
Giraffe. And giraffe, isn't that like your favorite animal?
It is my favorite animal.
Yay! So this should be fun. Grab your paper and let's make sure it's up like this. It's in vertical position. We're gonna start with the head of the giraffe, and it's gonna be up here on the top left area of the paper. We're gonna draw a curve that's gonna go, it's gonna be like a sideways, kind of a long U shape. We're gonna start up here and we're gonna go around till something like that. But we're gonna stop like right there. We're not gonna stop exactly.
Right here.
So I would start like somewhere over here, yeah. And make a big kind of sideways U shape. Yeah. And then we're gonna take this part right here, the bottom of this U shape, and we're gonna bring it down. It's gonna be pretty long till about there. So make this long, straight kind of line.
Long.
Yeah, just long line. Okay. And then what we're gonna do over here on the top of this U is we're gonna bring it down and then go to the right side. So it's gonna be the body of the giraffe, okay? So we're gonna take that and bring it down.
It looks like a camel.
Till about here. And then
it looks like a camel.
Almost, yeah. Go to the right and then go down.
Oh, mine looks like a little bit like a...
And then bring it all the way down to the same point length as where this other leg is. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to bring this down and then to the right and then down to where that other leg ends, okay?
How do you know when you end?
So go down and then to the, keep going and then to the right. And then now go down, 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 keep going. And do you see kind of where the other one is? Yep, about there.
The alien is?
About the same, yeah.
Yeah, it's about the same.
Great. So look at that. It's already starting to look like something, right? Okay.
Like
let's go. Let's continue on. But let's actually add a few details up here on the top of the head. Let's add some ears. So do you see up here where the top of this head is? We're going to make a curvy shape that goes kind of up like that. So curve it up to towards the right. And then we're going to take that point and bring it down like that. So curve it down. And then we're going to take this part, top of the point right here, and make a little curve going towards the left. So that's going to be the ear. Okay?
Big ear.
And then they also have, giraffes have these like,
what are they?
I don't know what they're called. They're kind of like, I don't know. They're just like a part of the body, I guess. Like they're not antennas. I don't know what they're called. But they look like
the ears and
so you just make make a line that curves up like that, and you already made that one, so don't worry about it. But I'll make another one right here that curves up like that, so it's like a little crown. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a circle. So I'm gonna make a circle, but it's not gonna finish. Look at my circle. It's not gonna end. You're not gonna close the circle. You're just gonna make a circle that goes loops this way, and you're making another circle.
Like a handkerchief.
That loops another way. So do that on both sides, but make sure on the bottom, when it gets towards the bottom, that it doesn't end. Leaving a little empty space here. And then we're gonna do with these, see where it ends, where that circle's about to end, is take that end point and then bring it down till about there, not all the way down. And then do the same thing with the other side and bring it down to where the other one and meet them together like that. So it looks like a little crown. Ta-da!
Maybe it's called a crown?
Maybe that's what it's called. We'll have to do some research. Okay, let's go back up here and work on the nose part. So let's make a curve like that. Just like a upside down U shape.
I need to connect them.
And then let's make the actual like nose hole area go like that right there. Okay, and then how about we add some eyes? So I'll add an eye here and an eye there. And some eyelashes. Curving up.
Oh, that was
Beautiful.
cool.
And a smiley face. So the smiley face will start somewhere down here. We'll make a curve that goes like that. And like that. Okay. Making a big smiley face. Cute. Okay, let's continue with the body. We're gonna do the bottom of the belly
Oh, I
here.
forgot that we still need to do that.
We still need to continue that part. Okay, so for this we're gonna make a curve that goes from somewhere about here to somewhere about there. Okay.
Right here.
Yeah, just for like the underbelly, make this kind of a curve. There you go.
Underbelly.
And then we're gonna do is on the left side here, is we're gonna start with the tippy point right here and bring it down. And actually I'm gonna go lower because I think the legs need to be a little bit longer. Yours are good length. I'm gonna make this one a little bit longer too. So you just have to kind of see, because you know, giraffes have really long necks and they also have really long legs, right? So I'm actually gonna make it a lot longer than this one. And I'll have to do the same thing here. I'll have to bring this down. Okay.
I think mine is good.
So now that we have, we're gonna make this into 2 separate legs, okay? So we're gonna start somewhere right here, kind of like the top middle part right here. And we're gonna split it into 2. So I'm gonna take one part and go like this towards the left. And I'm gonna start up here where that middle point was and take that part towards the bottom right, okay? And then connect these on the bottom here. Just make a line that goes straight across, okay? And then yours are a little bit more pointy, but that's okay. And then make another line here and another line down here on the bottom to finish those legs off, okay? Now we're gonna go towards the right side here, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna bring this down like that, okay? And then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna find a middle point right here. So let's start right here and curve this one down for this foot. Bring this up a little bit. Okay, just bring it straight down, yeah. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side and bring it down towards the right. Okay, and then we're gonna connect them together like we did the other feet. Okay, and then we're gonna make these lines that are on the bottom right here for the feet. And we're pretty much done with this body shape, okay? And then what do they also have? Do they also have a tail? Yeah? So for that,
actually don't know.
they do have a tail. So make a curvy line that goes kind of straight down like that
I'm going
for the tail. And then let's just make a few little lines that come out. So that'll be, there you go. That's the easy tail. And then they also have some hair, right? They have some hair on the top of the mane here. It's called the mane. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make some zigzag lines, or curvy a little bit, and let them just kind of go down and follow the shape of the path of the curve of the body here. So just watch how I'm doing it, and just don't bring it all the way down. Just end it somewhere around here, like the middle part.
I like mine here.
Yours can go all the way down, that's fine. Okay, and now what's one last thing that we can add to our giraffe? What do giraffes have on their body? They have a bunch of spots, right? So what we'll do is we'll just make, they have a lot. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make these different kind of blob shapes, and they don't have to be perfect, just kind of blob around here, there, everywhere. Some can be smaller, some can be bigger, some can be more round, some can be more squarish, rectangle-ish. So they kind of look like different, they kind of look like different rock shapes, I would say, you know?
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. So just have fun with these fun blob shapes. And that's really what's going to make it look more and more like a giraffe.
Oh, you made a heart there?
Yeah. You can make a heart shape.
Oh, look what I made.
Ah. Now that we have our giraffe finished, you can go ahead and add some more fun details. What else can you add around the giraffe?
Flowers.
You can add flowers. You know, you can also add just a tree with some leaves, because giraffes really like eating leaves from trees. So go ahead, color yours in. We're gonna do the same and then come back and see how we finished. You ready?
Yeah.
Lila, I like yours. What'd you do with yours?
Just colored it.
Just colored it in, and I noticed your spots are black, and this is kind of an orange color, and you have yellow. It'll be interesting to see how you guys colored your giraffes in. Did you color yours in the typical giraffe colors, which are kind of like a yellow, orange, brown color? Or did you do something crazy like blue, purple, yellow, pink, you know, something totally different?
Pink.
We'd love to see that because, you know, this is your work of art, so try to have fun with it. Also, make sure to take a photo of your artwork and share with us. The information for how to do that is below the video. And if you want to follow along with us in the series, then stay with us and see what we're going to draw for the letter H in the animal series. And if you want to see more drawing examples from us, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share this with a friend. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.